Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in Tennessee. And this whole process is going to be super fast and easy. Click the link below. I'm going to show you on my screen at the same time you follow along on yours. That way I can show you exactly what to click for every single question. There's gonna be no guessing. I'm literally gonna tell you what to do for every single thing. And I'm also gonna show you how you can save a little bit of money while doing this process as well. So click that link below and let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the Tailor Brands website and we're gonna start by clicking Tennessee. And now you're gonna type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions, and yes, it's available. And what stage of your business are you currently in? Now you're gonna type in the industry that you fall into, and they have tons of options, so you can more than likely find a category that works for you. And are you selling a good, a service, or both? Okay, again, are you gonna hire employees? If you change your mind, it's not a big deal. And just click if you have a financial goal in mind. Okay, now you're gonna use the zip code of your shop or store. And if you don't have one, you can use your home zip code for this as long as it's in Tennessee. And are you serving customers online, at a shop or store, or on the go? And click all that apply here. Okay, so I want you guys to click LLC and also EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're gonna need it when you file your taxes, and you're also gonna need it if you open a business credit card or business bank account. So more than likely you'll need it within your first year of business. And you guys, this page right here is pretty much why I love Tailor Brands. It's kind of like a one-stop shop for everything business related. I'm not super tech savvy. I don't enjoy searching the internet trying to figure these things out. And I like that Tailor Brands has everything right here for me. So let's say you needed like a logo designed, or maybe a website created, or help with some sort of license or permit. All that stuff is here. So click whatever else you need. And you can always go back in later on and check it out. But for today, we're just gonna click these two. This is a survey we could skip. And you found Tailor Brands through YouTube. Okay, so Tailor Brands is offering you a free 12-week business coaching program. I love this, I always take it. There's no time frame on it, so you can log in and out as you please. There's no catch, there's no pressure to it. So I just feel like if I can take something that helps me learn something new or maybe make more money, that's amazing, right? So if you want to skip it, you can hit no thanks. It's up to you. But I'm just going to click join. Now you can type in your personal information. Okay, so Tailor Brands can help you get your EIN number. If you want to save some money, you can do it through the IRS website. In my opinion, I feel like government websites are super outdated, they're difficult to navigate, and they're all around stressful. And also keeping with the IRS website, you can only file Monday through Friday business hours. So if you're filing after dinner or on the weekends, you're out of luck. I like Tailor Brands do it for me. It is $99, but honestly, to me, that's worth the headache. So I'd rather them just do it for me. And a registered agent is basically a fancy term for who's gonna receive the mail for your business. So if you live in Tennessee and your business is in Tennessee, you will be your own registered agent. You can click this option here. If you don't live in Tennessee and you're filing an LLC in the state for like tax benefits or something like that, then you would need to appoint someone that's in the state. And yes, we're sure. Okay, and every single year you need to renew your LLC. So if you think you might forget to renew this, Tailor Brands can do it for you. It's $199 a year, which is a little expensive. However, it's still cheaper than all the late fees and fines you'll get. So keep that in mind. If you think you remember, just click this option here. And Tailor Brands is offering a service which honestly I feel like it's totally worth the value. It's $19.99 a month, and they create a professional website for you. So you guys, if you're not sure, if you don't know yet, just having an online presence is so important nowadays, whether it's social media or a website. I think having both and as much as possible is even better. So if you want to check it out, they give you a free trial and then it's $20 a month. Or if you want to skip on it, just hit this here. And to get our LLC in just 2 days, it's $49. If you don't want to pay that, you'll get it in 2 weeks for no extra charge. Okay, and an operating agreement. Now, if it's just you owning the business, you don't have any partners, you don't need an operating agreement. You can click this here. If you do have partners, definitely get an operating agreement. It basically breaks down the job duties and responsibilities and ownership of everyone that's involved so that there's no issues down the line of who owns what and who's doing what. Okay, and this formation kit, I'm gonna click no because I told you guys it'd save you some money, but it is kind of cool to check out. It's basically a binder with everything organizational that you'll need as far as for taxes, bookkeeping, finances, all that good stuff. And yes, let's get notified about our LLC. And you guys, Tailor Brands offers 3 different plans. These 2 cost some more money, but honestly for the price per year, it's not so bad considering everything they give you. You get like a website created, help with bookkeeping, a bunch of different stuff you can check out. But today we're just gonna click this light plan here. Okay, so here's what we're paying for today. So the Tennessee state filing fee for an LLC is $307, and that's just the mandated state fee. No matter where you're filing, it's always going to be that price or whatever the price is for that year. We're getting that free coaching program, and if you'd like to get your LLC in just 2 days, click this for your grand total for today. So after about a week or so, then you'll be charged with the $99 EIN number. So don't be surprised when you see that second charge. It is correct. It's just like part 2 of the process. Okay, so once you enter your credit card information, it's then gonna ask you what address you wanna use. I've always used my home address and I've never had issues with junk mail or spam, anything like that. It's just for them to have on file if they need something from you in regards to your LLC. Now, if you have a storefront or a shop, use that address. And if you're not comfortable or have either, you can use a virtual address as well for this part. And yeah, that's it. You guys have just filed your LLC and your EIN number. I hope this was easy to follow along with, but if you do have questions, leave them below. And I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.